Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back, everyone. Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski. The EA Sports broadcast team is fired up to bring you this one here tonight. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Nice save from point-blank range. And now he moves it to McDonough. Great read to break up the play. Just misses. Back to the point it goes. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Puts it on net. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Here they come on the attack. Here's a short pass to Girgensons. Off target. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Turns it away on the slap shot.
Pavelski's aggressive here in this first period. Nobody's got a goal, but you want to show that you're going to be the most aggressive team.
Pavelski's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Carries it in. They've got numbers. Puck scooped up by Kessel. And now he tries to get it across to Kessel. And now it's over to Pavelski. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Bukarts looks around. And not much on that one. Team USA's got a hold of it along the wall. And it's a quick pass to Besser. USA's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Comes up with the stop. Here's a blast. And here comes the pushback. Well, that escalated quickly.
Yeah, I don't know if this is from the other game or if it's just from today, but man, they went at it quick.
Absolutely rocked down to the ice there.
That was a heavy blow, and that is the end of this bout.
And here comes referee Gilles Levesque to clean things up.
You can't touch momentum, but you can feel it. And the home team's going to build a little bit, they believe, after a fight win.
Listen to this place. Kessler's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Latvia's got the puck behind the net. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Stopped by the goaltender. And he slides it quickly to McDonough. What a steal in his own end. Handles the puck. Blocked in traffic. Team Latvia's looking to break out. Quick pass to McDonough. Quick pass to Kessler. Puck picked up by Pacioretty. Centering pass. Here's a chance. Gets in front of it. Matthews wins it in the offensive zone. Puck grab by Jones. Moves it to Goudreau. Move to the middle, and there it is! The double G! The great glove save! Girgensons quick on the draw. Picks up the puck in his own end. Oh, he rocked him!
Yeah, sending a message early there, James. He gets the body contact. I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Matthews has won the draw. Blocked in traffic. Takes the pass. Kennan brings it in. Move to the middle. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Matthews plays the puck. Matthews moves the puck to the corner. Can't connect. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Works it across to Kane. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves it quickly over to Kane. Gives them nothing in front.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice, the goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
Eichel's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Hammers a shot. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
From the back of the cage with the puck. And loses possession after a solid hit. Quick feed to Carlson. Kessel's gaining momentum. Here's a short pass to Pavelski. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Denied by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves right to the middle. Pokes it away in his own end. Knocked away. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the pocket, he gets his stick caught in their feet.
Team USA sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, James, statistically, we know that you score the first goal of the game, you're going to win well over 55% of the time. So that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
And that'll essentially do it for the man advantage here as the official blows the play dead. Matthews is going off for slashing.
Rarely is a slashing penalty considered a good penalty to take.
A nice little break for the defenseman here. One less forward to deal with as we have some 4-on-4 hockey on tap.
Sometimes you need grit and you need grind and you need toughness. Not in 4-on-4. You need skill. You need guys that can skate and who can move the puck.
31 seconds.
Besser's got the puck. And he slides it quickly to Jones. Oh, what a save with the glove! Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Right up the gut, here they go. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across, and that's stopped by Bishop.
He's not going to face many more high danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Besser's got the puck along the wing. Quick pass to Suter. No room for that one to get through. Carries it across the line. Hammers a shot, and that's blocked. Feeds the puck across to Besser. Suter's got it along the boards. Here's a chance out front. And a brief power play will ensue now as the penalty expires. Score remains tied after the power play fails to deliver.
The only positive for the power play there is they didn't have to skate up and down the ice. They didn't generate anything. They had it in the zone, but really nothing very good about it.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Backhander in front. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Puts it on net. Just wide. Moves it to Suter. Now a quick pass to Wheeler. Wheeler's going to play it against the half wall. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Great hand-eye coordination as he gets the puck back. Tees off the one-timer. Just wide of the net. Oh, bold move by the goaltender as he pokes it away. Snaps it on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Latvia's got it in their own zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And that's broken up with a stick in front. That's dumped in, and they'll get a fresh set of legs out on the ice. Passes on over to Van Riemsdyk. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Handles it along the blue line. Move to the middle. Moves it quickly over to Oshie and makes the save.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Kessel's got it along the wing. Lets it fly, and that one's stopped. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
And now he passes up to Kessel. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. With possession along the wall. A chance in front. USA's got the puck along the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Oh, and another big stop. Rocks him. Quick feed to Pacioretty.
Well, after that hit, he's slowly working his way to the bench. He is not feeling very good.
Here they are on the attack. To his teammate. Oh, what a save in front. Here's a shot. Great reflexes, another save. Matthews is quick on the draw. Stopped by the goaltender. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And there's the save.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Up along the wing. And now he moves it quickly to Girgensons. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's picked off in front. Goudreau's got it across the line. Out front, and that's picked off. Along the half wall with the puck. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. Slides it back to the blue line. Puts it to the front of the net. Puts it on net. And he comes up with it. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Here's a short pass to Besser. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Into the corner. Moves the puck. And there's the save. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Now he takes it over the line. They've got the defense outnumbered. Beautiful stop with the stick.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Makes the save. And now it's grabbed by Kessel. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Van Riemsdyk. Nice pass. Handles the puck at the point. Takes the feed. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Pokes the puck away. Passes over to Pavelski. Here's a blast. Denies him on the slapper. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And that one's stolen at center ice. Pacioretty's got it into offensive territory. Here's a pass down low. Kessler's got it against the boards. Grabs it in his own end. Yepilovs has the puck against the half wall. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. And now he angles it across to Pacioretty. Moves it around along the half wall. Scores! What a shot!
Not much room over on the stick side, but he makes a perfect shot. The goalie beaten low there.
Team USA's taken the lead here in the late goings of this first period.
Pretty even first period. Now they've got the jump. You want to get into the intermission ahead.
And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Great heads-up play by the defender.
There's a right time for every play. That's not it when you're ahead.
Receives the pass. Booming shot. Big-time glove save. USA's got the lead here late in this first period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Great use of the body to knock him off the puck. Bufflin's got it now deep inside his own end. And now he moves it to Matthews. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. And that wraps up the first period here. Just a lone goal is the difference so far as we conclude the first frame.
Hey fans, now is the time to pick out your team's calendar. You can pick them up at kiosk 144 on the lower level.
And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Merzlikins is going to be exhausted if the game goes like this. In that first period, he was crazy busy. Done an outstanding job.
Sends the pass over. Fires it on net. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Feeds it on over to Matthews. Quick pass to McDonough. And it's a quick pass to Kane. From the opposite point. And that one's turned away. Another stop by the goaltender. And now he tries to get it across to Gaudreau. Takes it across the blue line. You'll need more than that to beat him. Slides the puck over to Gaudreau. Dished on over to Suter. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And that's blocked away. Into the offensive zone. Here's a chance right in the slot. Oh, and he'll be shaking his head on that as they were so close. Slides the puck over. Moves it to Kane. And he slides it quickly to Van Riemsdyk. Strong defensive effort. Sends a pass over. And makes the save.
McDonough's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming. But man, does he get leveled.
Team USA's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain. Still plenty of time left in this frame. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Bukarts plays it against the boards. Sends it quickly to Wheeler. In all alone. Denies. Scores!
Pretty deceptive move here. Short little breakaway. He makes no mistake. I would try to deke every time on a breakaway. You got the goaltender at your mercy. Throw a couple of fakes on him and put it away.
USA's got a 2-goal lead now. Do you subscribe to the theory a good defense is a good offense?
100%, in particular the way that the game is played these days. Too easy to call. Penalties against you if you sit back. I say play in the other end.
And the stick gets a piece of it.
Time of the goal, 3 minutes, 19 seconds.
On the attack along the boards. Takes the shot with the stop. Team USA's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Great defensive effort with the stick. Over the line they come. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Takes the pass. Recitus setting up against the wall. Right in front of the net. Stopped with ease. Takes the feed. Wheeler's got it in the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. There's the double G of the game. The great glove save. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Kessler's won the draw. Here's a blast. The lane was head rings the iron. Puck lands back onto his stick. Quick feed to Oshie. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Here comes the call. Oshie's getting 2 for hooking.
That's kind of a bad penalty to take. You reach out with your hands and the referee sees your stick parallel to the ice. He's going to call it most times.
As we're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
Well, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Sends it over. Scores! Power play goal!
Critical for them to get on the board with the extra man. They move the puck well, and they're able to capitalize. Teams are usually more conservative killing penalties than this. They make a mistake, now they give up the man advantage break. The power play doesn't miss on the rush.
Team Latvia's jumped right back into this one with a much-needed goal here in the second.
They're trying to generate more shots. They just haven't been able to, but they cash in, James. Now they're only down by 1.
Girgensons wins it. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Denies him on the play. He got thunderstruck. Moves the puck. Puts it on goal. Way too much congestion blocks that. Big save by the goaltender once again.
We'll get another look at that hit. The boards don't move, and so that hurts the way he finished them in. But look, the glass is still rattling from that check.
Still lots of time left in the period. Latvia is still down a goal here, but they have really picked up the tempo these last few minutes. Oh, she's got the puck. Nice pass. Keeps control of the puck after taking a little knock. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. Here's a chance. Lets it fly. And that goes off the face of the goaltender.
What do you think hurts more? He's got a headache or his jaw sore? That thing was a bullet.
USA's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Team Latvia's got a hold of the puck. He grabs the puck here at the point. Jones looks around. And now it's over to Kessler. And he slides it quickly to McDonough. Centering pass. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Sends it across the ice. Right in the slot. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Grips it and rips it. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from? Team USA's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. USA's looking to break out of their own end. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. And takes a tour out of the offensive end to find some space at center. Denied by the goaltender. That's off a stick. Here they come on the attack. Takes the feed at the back end. With possession along the wall. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Takes a shot. Blocker save. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Centering pass. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, and blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. More than half the period has expired. It's 2-1. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Here's a short pass to Wheeler. Wheeler's going to play it against the half wall. Knocked away. Passes right to the front. Big save. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sends the pass over. Carries it in. right on the doorstep. Takes a bank in front, and he makes the stop with the glove to get a piece of it.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Team USA's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. And they'll be forced to regroup one-on-one with the goaltender. Oh, what a stop on the break.
Good fake. He pushed the goaltender to the side, but the goalie reacts quickly and made the stop.
USA's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play. Team USA's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Now a quick pass to Jones. Oh, smart heads-up read. Van Riemsdyk's got it along the wing. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Kessel. Across the point. And it's a quick pass to Jones. With the blast. And a great save. And there's a much-needed whistle, Ray.
Back in the day, you just take the puck and shoot it up into the crowd. That's a penalty now. The only stop you can get is from the goalie freezing it.
Past the midway mark of the frame, we've got a 2-1 game. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end. Shot on net, and he makes the save. Shot, there's another stop.
Really sharp, never loses sight of the puck to make the second save.
Move to the middle. Here he is in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Taken by Pacioretty. USA's got the puck in their own end. Comes up with the stop. Team USA's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it across the line. Into the corner of the attacking area. And they can't convert on the play. USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Puts one on net. Gets a glove on it to make the save. Team USA's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Too much congestion in front. Slides the puck down low. Takes the feed at the point. Nice save off the tender's pad. Denies him again. Another glorious opportunity in front with the steal. Recitus carries the puck in his own zone. USA's going to play the puck from behind the cage. And he gives it over to Goudreau. Centering pass! Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone.
No need to be risky with the puck while you're ahead.
And he takes a shot. Scores!
Well, the game back to level now. Anybody that's had a lead, the lead is gone, and now we're evened up again. I can't imagine they thought this was even possible. They played so poorly early in the game. They've worked their way all the way back to tie the score.
Latvia's given themselves some positive vibes to go into the dressing room into after this period as they have evened things up here late.
To go into the third period even would be a victory here for them.
Scored by number 94, Angers.
Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Quick pass to Kane.
By number 96, time of the goal, 16 minutes, 1 second.
Referee's hand shoots high in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty coming up. Let's see what the officials say. Tripping is the call. Did he sell or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
Here's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
Bukarts moves the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's the pass. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Turns it away.
Sharp reaction save.
Puck scooped up by Girgensons. Comes up with the stop. Late goings of this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. With the bank pass. Into the corner now. And that one's broken up. And manages to clear the zone. Team Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Picking up some steam at center ice. On the attack along the boards. Slides the puck over. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty killing unit on that one. Denied by the goaltender.
Oh, I really like the penalty kill there. They were on the same page almost all over the ice that entire power play. The game stays tied because of their fine work.
Moves it to McDonough. Slides it across to Pavelski. Second frame almost done. Well inside a minute now. And he slides it quickly to Pavelski and makes the save.
We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. What a stop as he puts out the fire! Matthews has won the draw. Moves it quickly over to Kane. Back at the point, they set it up. Sends a pass over. Wrister, big time stop.
Merzlikin's able to turn aside that dangerous opportunity.
And that'll do it for 40 minutes in the books. We are still tied at 2.
Programs for tonight's game are available on the concourse, featuring complete player listings for both teams, player bios, and informative stories.
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. And we are underway here in the third, still tied. Quick feed to Matthews. And he slides it quickly to Suter. Now a quick pass to McDonough. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Puts it up front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Kennens takes it across the line. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Nice bank pass off the boards. There's the whistle as the puck goes out of play. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We got a tie game. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Cujo swooping in on the attack. Can't keep a hold of it as he's jostled off the puck. And that one's stopped. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Lets it go. Misses just up and over. There's the go-ahead goal, and we have a new game.
Taking the lead now, you control it. You push the pace, you push the other guys back on their heels. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
USA's coaches look pretty active on the bench there, Ray. What are you hearing?
Well, they're happy that they've got the lead, but they want to make sure that nobody sits back to defend.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. From one end of the blue line to the other. And that one's broken up. Bufflin's got it on the offensive end.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Hammers it on net, and that goes off a player in front. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Handles the puck. They've got numbers. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Icing's the call. You know the coaching staff's not going to love that one.
Well, I can think of about 3 plays he could have made other than that one, but hey, that's the way it goes. Now you need your centerman to win a draw.
Lots of time left in this period. Team USA's got the momentum with a 1-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Jones. Takes the pass. Puck picked up by Eichel. Denies him! And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. USA's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Scores!
Oh, good shot. I like the release, James. He really zips it past the goalie, hits the pipe. He gets a nice bounce, and it's in the net. Bang, bang. 2 goals in right around a minute 40.
Wow, insane how quick that was. Bang, bang.
Yeah, the defending team just couldn't put a stake in the ground. They couldn't stop them.
Team USA's goal has now extended their lead to 2 here early in the third. You couldn't ask for a better start in the third here.
This is the way you draw it up. This is what you talk about between periods. Rarely does it come out and your team is as effective as they were.
Whacks it into the offensive zone. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there.
3 minutes, 12 seconds.
Can't keep a hold of the puck after that play. Wheeler's carrying it ahead. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. USA's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed. Takes that pass back at the point. Here's a short pass to Oshie. Tries to get it over to Pacioretty. Drives it to the front of the net. Quick pass to Suter. Moves the puck. Stones him in front. Still plenty of time left in this frame. Team USA's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Takes a shot. Long jam in front. That's broken up. From one point man to another. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Rocks him on the play. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Scores! 1-goal game.
they put themselves in a position here to come all the way back. Down two, it looks like a long way to go. Now you're just one shot away. That shot just overpowered him, I guess. He stopped most of it. It just trickled through and rolled into the net.
Latvia's third period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Here's a chance to make something happen inside the neutral zone. Girgensons will play it to the corner. Back to the blue line. Team Latvia's got possession at center. Picked off in the open ice. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Shot stopped by the goaltender. USA's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Eichel's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Blast from the blue line. Oh, gets a piece of it with the glove. Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. Puck grabbed by Jones. And now he moves it quickly to Besser. Gets it back. Besser's got it against the boards. Hangs onto the puck. Here's a chance. And that shot dies in traffic. Nice pass. Sends it across. Takes the feed. And now he angles it across to Eichel. Receives the pass. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides it across to Eichel. Can't get a hold of that pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Moves it on over to Wheeler. With possession along the wall. Gets that puck back on a stick. Right to the middle, and that's broken up. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. Shot, and there's the save. Team USA's got the puck along the boards. Moves it to Kessel. Van Riemsdyk's got it in the offensive zone. Sends a pass over. Pass back to the point. What a steal in his own end. Kessel's got it across the line. Scoops up the puck here. Handles the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Great read to break up the play.
I don't mind that try there. You're down. You got to try and make it up.
Swing and a miss. Here's a chance behind the net. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Glove save, and an easy one at that.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up, makes the save on a dangerous chance. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
USA's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Into the corner. Smart heads up play. He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. Oh, what a save! Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. And another stop.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Along the half wall with the puck. Sends it down low. Takes the pass. Grabs control of it at the point. Stick collapses. Oh!
So frustrating. You're in position. You've got the shot. Your stick gives out.
And it's a quick pass to Pacioretty. Slides it across. From the slot, wrist shot. Can't get it to go. And the play continues. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Over the line they come. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Regains possession at center. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Wrist shot from the slot, and that goes off course wide.
Not going to get many better chances from that. Dead center, right in the slot.
Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a chance to get it out of their own end. And clearing attempt is a big success on that play. Takes the feed. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And now he moves it to Kane. Saucer pass across. Moves the puck. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Centering pass! And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Wide! Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Gets a piece of it with the trapper! And the pass is picked off.
Oh, I like this, James. They've really cycled the puck well on this shift. Now they can hold it, and you put the pressure on the defenders. Eventually, they pull you down, or you get a great chance.
Moves it quickly over to Van Riemsdyk. Grabbed along the boards by Eichel. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Tries to feed it over to Girgensons. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And he comes up with it.
Bishop's made an excellent stop here. He follows the puck and shuts down the scoring chance.
Here in the late going of the frame, it's a one-goal game at this point. 4-3 is the score. Wheelers won it in their own end. And now it's grabbed by Kessel. Kessel's got it into offensive territory. And that slides right, trying to gain a step. All alone. What a stop on the breakaway. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Team USA's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Taken by Pavelski. Here's an odd man rush. Takes a shot. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper. USA's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Team USA's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Big stop by the keeper.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. Bukarts plays the puck. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. And that goes off the iron and stays out.
Team Latvia's luck continues to be bad. A shot off the post, and they still trail.
Puts it wide.
I know he's looking for the perfect shot, and he's going to be disappointed that he didn't get it on the cage. Jones lowers the boom. That's a big hit.
USA's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. With possession along the wall. Back to the point it goes. Here's a chance right in front. Team USA's grabbed a hold of the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Wheeler. Knocked away. Lays into the body on the play. Sets up from Gretzky's office. Trying to get back on the attack now. Nearing the final minute of the third. Moves the puck along the half wall.
In the third period.
Handles it along the blue line. Turns it away on the slap shot.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
USA's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Denies him in front. Pacioretty's got the puck along the wing. Moves behind the net. Makes the save. Here they come on the attack. Trailing in this one, they have pulled the goalie and the extra attackers out. Too much traffic in the lane. A chance to end it. That goes wide. Fires it down the ice. Oh, the goalie catches a break there. Picked up along the wall by Carlson. And now it's over to Pacioretty. Fires to the empty net. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Just wide. Final horn sounds, and we are all done with this one.
I really like the way that they got after the puck and generated a high number of shots. Not all of them quality, but in a close game, you start peppering the other goalie, you're probably going to be okay.
I get it was a tight game, but you look at the opportunities that they had way better scoring opportunities.
They did, and eventually the puck's got to go in most nights.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.